Hello everyone. Today I'll be comparing two of the most popular platforms for buying and trading cryptocurrency, Robinhood and Coinbase. Whether you are new to crypto or an experienced investor, we'll break down the pros and cons of each so you can decide which is the best fit for you. Now let's kick things off with the pricing and fees. Robinhood stands out because it offers zero commission on crypto trades. No fees at all, which is great for beginners and casual traders. However, keep in mind Robinhood makes money through a practice score payment for order flow, meaning they could be earning revenue from the trade routes they send your orders through. On the other hand, Coinbase charges a spread of about 0.5% for buying and selling crypto, plus additional fees depending on your payment method. This can range anywhere from 1.49% to 3.99%, making it more expensive for small transactions. But Coinbase offers Coinbase Pro, which has much lower fees for active traders. Now, cryptocurrency selection. When it comes to crypto selection, both platforms offer a solid variety. Coinbase leads the way. Sorry, Coinbase leads the way with support for over 50 cryptocurrencies. Let me show you quickly. And both platforms offer solid variety, and but it has more than 50. So, including popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, along with a wide selection of altcoins. If you are looking to dive into more niche cryptos, Coinbase is your platform. On the other hand, Robinhood, however, has a more limited selection. Right? Let me show you the crypto section. So they have like seven cryptocurrencies available: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and more. Like as far as I can tell, they have like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and few others. So if you are just interested in the big names, Robinhood will work fine. But for a broader range of options, Coinbase has the edge. Now, in terms of user experience, yes, both platforms are known for their simplicity, but they cater to different types of users. So Robinhood is incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for beginners. You can buy and sell crypto with just a few taps, and the design is minimalistic. Everything is streamlined. However, Coinbase has a slightly more complex interface, and it's designed for users who want a bit more control and features. You get real-time charts, detailed data, and ability to manage your assets in more depth. For those who plan to do more advanced trading, Coinbase's layout will be more familiar and helpful. Now, security and trust is a big issue, and it's always a top priority when choosing a platform for crypto. So, both Robinhood and Coinbase are considered secure with a bank grade certification and two factor authentication available. However, Coinbase has a bit more to offer in terms of security. It stores 98% of user assets offline, which adds an extra layer of protection. Coinbase also is also regulated and complies with a lot of financial regulations in the US, making it a trustworthy choice. Robinhood, while secure, doesn't have the same level of regulatory oversight for its crypto offerings, as it is more focused on traditional stock trading. As you can see, it's not just about crypto, you can do more. So, and now let me show the resource section, right? When it comes to education and customer support, like they also have this one, the learn section. Same menu, same section. So when it comes to education and customer support, Coinbase offers a robust set of educational resources through Coinbase Learn, which teaches you about cryptocurrency, blockchain, and how to invest. Right, you can start your crypto basics from here. And they also have 24/7 customer support, so you are never left hanging if you need help. Robinhood, on the other hand, has fewer educational resources for crypto. Specifically, though their platform does offer basic tutorials and FAQs, Customer support on Robinhood can be slower, especially for crypto related issues. So, in the end, which platform do you think is better for you? If you're just getting started with crypto and want a low fee, easy to use platform, I suggest you go with Robinhood. It's a great option, simple, no frills, and ideal for small and casual traders. But if you are looking for more advanced features, a wider selection of cryptocurrencies, and better security for your assets, Coinbase is the way to go. It's perfect for both beginners and those who want to level up their crypto game. Ultimately, it comes down to your goals. Robinhood for simplicity and low fees, or Coinbase for more complete feature-packed crypto experience. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.